What if I told you that while most people waste 2 hours a day scrolling through social media, others are using those same hours to earn an extra $1,000 every week without leaving home? And here's the best part: you don't need a degree, you don't need years of experience, and you don't even need to learn complicated skills. After extensive testing of dozens of AI tools, today I'm revealing the 7 that are total game changers. These tools are 100% free and insanely easy to use. Welcome to WealthWise Hub. I'm Fahad, a business consultant dedicated to helping freelancers, small business owners, and driven individuals unlock financial freedom and accelerate business growth. On this channel, you'll get proven strategies, step by step guides, and actionable investment insights tailored for real world success. Whether you're launching your freelance career, scaling your SME, or building multiple income streams, you'll find practical tips on business development, skill building, and wealth creation. Join a growing community of ambitious entrepreneurs transforming their financial futures, one smart move at a time. If you're tired of watching others make money online while you're stuck on the sidelines, this is your moment. AI isn't just about working smarter, it's about creating brand new ways to earn from home, no matter your experience level. While everyone else is still asking, can AI really make me money? You'll be getting a step by step breakdown of 7 tools that are already changing people's lives. These aren't get rich quick schemes, these are proven, practical strategies that work. Most people wait for the perfect moment to start. The truth? The perfect moment is now. Start small, learn fast, and every effort will pay off if you're serious about making money with AI. Smash that subscribe button now. I share new proven strategies every week, so you never miss out. Before we jump in, make sure you join our community for exclusive updates, bonus tips, and direct access to me. Just click the link in the description below. Here's what we're going to cover in this video: the 7 free AI tools that can help you start earning online, how each tool actually makes money with real examples, the 3 proven combos that turn these tools into consistent income systems, and the biggest mistakes to avoid so you don't waste months going in circles. So, stick with me until the end, because I'll share a bonus resource that shows you 7 different ways to land your first clients, even if Upwork and Fiverr haven't worked for you yet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to launch your first income stream. Let's jump right in. At number 7, meet Cursor AI, your gateway into tech freelancing, even if you've never written a line of code. With Cursor AI, you can start landing simple remote projects paying $15 to $30 an hour, like website tweaks or basic automation scripts. The best part? Cursor AI doesn't just write code, it explains every step, like having a personal coding mentor. Pair it with ChatGPT. Cursor handles the code, and ChatGPT breaks it down in plain English. You finish projects faster, actually understand what you're delivering, and start a legit income stream from home. Cursor AI is free to start, and even after the trial, $20 per month can easily be covered by one small project. Begin searching for beginner gigs on Upwork or Fiverr today, and see how quickly your skills can pay off. And if you want the full list of all 7 AI tools that can transform your income this year, make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell, because tool number 6 is going to blow your mind. Number 6 is a game changer. People are making over $3,000 a month with zero design skills using Canva Magic Studio. And if you're thinking, I'm not creative, trust me, you don't need to be. Canva's AI writes captions, generates graphics from text prompts, and even builds complete brand kits in seconds. That means you can deliver logos, social posts, ads, and more without Photoshop or expensive software. These gigs sell for $10, $50, even $200 on Fiverr and Upwork. Beginners have landed their first $500 client in just 1 week using Canva templates. Pick a trending niche, use Canvas templates, and customize with your client's brand colors. Create a social media starter pack: 5 posts, 3 story templates, 1 logo, price it at $47. It looks premium, takes minutes to make, and helps you stand out. Want my full Canva client getting strategy? Comment Canva below. And don't go anywhere. Tool number 5 is going to completely change how you think about making money online. Number 5 will change how you think about time forever. This AI tool has helped freelancers and entrepreneurs save hours each week while getting more done and focusing on higher paying tasks. Meet Motion, the AI that turns your scattered schedule into a money making machine. It automatically schedules your highest paying tasks first, blocks distraction free work time, and reshuffles your calendar when life throws a curveball. It's like having a personal assistant whose only job is protecting your productivity. Here's the math: save just 10 hours a week, and you could take on 2 extra clients per month. At $250 per client, that's an extra $500 to $1,500 without working longer or burning out. Pair Motion with Canva from the last tip. Motion schedules your creative bursts when you're most focused, and Canva makes design work lightning fast. Together, it's like a productivity team working 24/7 for your income. Motion has a free trial, so test it risk-free. Ready to stop wasting time and start making real progress? Drop Motion in the comments, and I'll share a setup to get the most out of this tool. Number 4. This tool can help you earn extra income while you focus on other things. It's Zapier, the automation secret most freelancers are missing. Zapier connects your favorite apps, Gmail, Google Sheets, Canva, Shopify, so your business runs itself. Imagine a new lead signs up, and Zapier automatically adds them to your contact list, sends a welcome message, and updates your sales tracker. No clicks, no stress. Here's the opportunity: businesses pay for these automations. For example, one freelancer set up a workflow that saved a client 10 hours a week and earned $300 for that single automation. Then the client referred them to multiple other projects, showing how automations can turn into a recurring income stream. Create an automation starter pack, 3 simple workflows for a fair price. Most people don't even know this exists. If you've spent hours on repetitive tasks, comment Zapier below to learn how to get started. Number 3. This Notion template strategy can turn a single weekend into $500 plus of passive income, and it keeps paying month after month. Most people think Notion is just a note-taking app, but thousands of people are paying $25 to $100 for simple templates, like content planners, finance trackers, or freelancer dashboards. No coding required, just a bit of creativity. For example, a basic freelancer dashboard built in one Saturday sold 15 copies at $37 each in 30 days. That's $555 passive income, and it keeps selling. The key? Focus on ready-to-use templates that save busy people time. Start by listing your template on Gumroad, fast, free, and beginner-friendly. Expand to Etsy for more reach, and target niches like fitness coaches, content creators, or small business owners. Want my free beginner template and step-by-step guide to your first $500? Comment Notion below. Number 2, this free AI tool can help you start earning $1,000 plus per month, and most people are using it completely wrong. Most people think ChatGPT is just for small work or simple tasks. But smart freelancers are using it to offer services businesses are desperate for, like blog posts, social media packages, and product descriptions, earning anywhere from $50 to $500 per project. ChatGPT doesn't replace you, it amplifies your skills. One freelancer made $1,200 in a month selling AI-powered Amazon product listings. Another built a YouTube script service and earns $300 plus per week. The key is niching down. Specific problems get specific, higher paying results. Pick one service you can deliver with ChatGPT, create a Fiverr gig, and let ChatGPT handle the heavy lifting while you focus on client results. Want my exact starter prompts and client getting template? Comment prompts below, and I'll send them to you to help you start earning fast. This little-known AI tool can help you start earning $2,000 to $4,000 per month as a video editor, working part-time, with no expensive software or gear. Meet Descript, the game-changing video editor that works like Google Docs. Upload your video, it transcribes every word, and you just delete text to cut footage. Remove awkward pauses, auto-generate captions, and even fix audio instantly, all in minutes. Freelancers using Descript are charging 3x more because they deliver fast results. For example, one freelancer went from $0 to $3,200 per month by offering same-day podcast edits. What used to take 10 hours now takes just 90 minutes, letting you take on more clients and increase rates. Download the free version, practice editing one video this weekend, post your first Fiverr or Upwork gig, and land your first $150 client quickly. Want my full freelancer startup kit, including client getting templates and top paying services? Comment Descript below, and I'll send it to you. Let's do a quick recap of the 7 tools we've covered so far. But first, here's the thing, knowing the tools isn't enough. The real money comes from how you combine them into simple income systems. And in the next section, I'll break down 3 proven combos that are working right now and exactly how long it takes to start earning with each. Cursor is the tool that helps you code, even if you've never programmed before. It walks you through fixes and builds step by step, so you can take on freelance tech projects with confidence. Canva makes design simple and professional. With just a few clicks, you can create logos, social media posts, and even full brand kits that clients will pay real money for. Motion is your personal AI scheduler. It organizes your day automatically, keeps you on track, and gives you back hours of productive time every week. Zapier connects all your apps together and automates repetitive tasks. That means less time doing manual work and more time focusing on clients or building income streams. Notion allows you to create powerful templates, from planners to dashboards, that people are already buying online. It's one of the easiest ways to start building digital products with low effort. ChatGPT is your content engine. Whether you need product descriptions, blog posts, or client copy, it speeds up the writing process and helps you deliver professional results fast. And finally, Descript makes video editing quick and stress-free. You can edit by simply deleting text, cleaning up audio, and adding captions, all in minutes instead of hours. Success isn't about luck. It's about showing up every day, learning, and applying what you know. Even 1 hour of focused work can change your life. Forget about mastering all 7 tools. Here's the truth. Real results come from picking just 2 or 3 and building a simple system around them. Most people don't fail because they lack skills. They fail because they don't know where to start, how to market themselves, or where the real demand is hiding. And in 2025, businesses are desperate for help. If you pair the right tools with the right platforms, you can turn even basic skills into a consistent income. Remember, you don't need to be perfect or have years of experience to start earning. Every small step you take today compounds into real results tomorrow, so take action, stay consistent, and watch your skills turn into income. Don't forget to subscribe, because every week I'll be sharing practical, experience-based strategies to help you break through the hurdles and finally reach your goals. So let's break down 3 proven combos that work right now, how long they take to build, and where you'll find buyers. Combo 1 is freelance tech and content. You'll use Cursor for coding, ChatGPT for explanations and copywriting, and Motion to stay organized. The reason this works is simple. Every business needs quick tech fixes, website tweaks, and automations. But they don't want a full-time developer. Freelancers who can jump in and solve problems on demand are gold. You can start small by offering bug fixes, website edits, or simple automations. And when you use ChatGPT to explain your work clearly, clients will trust you even more. The best places to sell are Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn, which are full of businesses looking for affordable tech help. On average, you can land your first client in 1 to 2 months, and if you stick with it for 6 to 12 months, you can realistically earn $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Combo 2 is creative services. For this, you'll use Canva for graphics, Descript for videos, and the built-in schedulers on social platforms to publish content. The demand is massive because in 2025, social media is the new storefront. If a business isn't posting consistently, they're invisible. The good news? Most business owners hate making content, which is where you come in. You can offer complete social media packages, graphics, videos, and scheduled posts that keep your clients visible and relevant. Fiverr and Upwork are good starting points, but the fastest results often come from Instagram and TikTok DMs to local businesses. Most people land their first paying client in 2 to 3 months, and once you have 5 to 10 clients, you can make $2,000 to $4,000 per month. Combo 3 is digital products. Here you'll use Notion to create templates, Canva for visuals, and ChatGPT for marketing copy. The reason this works is that many people don't want to hire freelancers. They just want ready-made tools they can use instantly. Notion templates, planners, dashboards, and Canva kits are in high demand. You create them once and then sell them forever. To promote them, you can use short demo videos on TikTok, Pinterest, or Twitter. The best platforms to sell on are Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. It usually takes 2 to 4 months before you see traction, but once your shop is running, you can make $500 to $2,000 per month in mostly passive income. Here's the bottom line: freelance tech is the fastest way to get paid. Creative services have endless demand, and digital products take longer, but they eventually bring in passive income. And if you're still struggling to get clients on Upwork or Fiverr, don't worry. Check the link in my description for a video with 7 proven ways to get clients online. Before you jump in, let's talk about the 4 mistakes to avoid that sink most beginners and the pro moves that will set you apart. The first mistake is trying to master everything at once. Instead, pick one combo and go deep for 90 days. Mastery always beats dabbling. The second mistake is staying stuck at low prices. It's fine to start small, but after your first 3 to 5 clients, you need to raise your rates. You're solving real problems, so charge accordingly. The third mistake is going too broad. Saying, "I do everything" gets ignored, while niche offers get noticed. And the fourth mistake is expecting instant passive income. The truth is, it takes consistency. Most people see steady sales after months, not days. Now, here are the pro tips. Document your process and share your journey online. It builds trust and attracts clients. Bundle your services into packages because they feel higher in value and are easier to sell. Focus on repeat clients instead of chasing one-offs. And always track your time so you know which tasks actually make you money. You don't need every tool to make $1,000 a week. Pick one combo, treat it like a real business, and with consistency, $3,000 to $5,000 per month is absolutely possible, even starting from zero. Now, I want to hear from you. Which combo feels the most realistic for you to start with? Drop it in the comments. I'll personally reply with a tip to help you move forward. I'm building this channel to share practical, experience-based strategies, and I'd love to connect with you directly. Don't forget to subscribe, because every week I share practical strategies that most people never discover, strategies that can help you earn more, work smarter, and move closer to financial freedom. And next week, I'll be sharing a step-by-step tutorial on how to use AI tools in combination to actually implement these strategies and show you how you can start building toward $5,000 a month. Don't miss it. All right, that's it for today. Take action, stay consistent, and see you next time.